Hello guys and welcome to today's video. And today, as you can tell by the title, I'm doing a Scott Barnes makeup vlog that he did on TATI. Well, it was inspired by that. I did use some other products. You know what? I thought it's going to be way heavier, but it's not, and I like it. And if you don't know, Scott Barnes is JLO's makeup artist, and I will link the video down in the description box. So before you watch this, go and watch that one, please. One more thing, do not try this at home. Let's go. What a shocker. So I won't use the same products, but I'm going in mixing Duo Contouring Cream in number 08 from Makeup Factory, which is really light, and the shade Alabaster from NYX Got You Covered. Just an everyday makeup look tutorial, yeah. I don't have the tutorial in front of me, but I remembered everything. Sorry, I keep laughing the way I look, so... Okay, so I know this looks weird, but actually it does have make sense, because when you do heavy contouring underneath your foundation, like everything later will be less visible, the contour won't be so harsh, and it makes sense. But just for the sake of camera or photos, this is extreme, so usually I obviously for every day wouldn't do this look, so... I am blending this actually towards the center of my nose. Once I blended everything, I'm going in with MAC's Prolonged Wear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. This one is in shade NC50, meaning it is, look at this, so dark. Oh boy. You know what, this foundation is a little bit too heavy, so I'm going in with, again, Makeup Factory Duo Contouring Cream, number 24. The reason why I like this part is because me personally, I do have too strong jaw lines, so let's just get rid of it. So now he used really dark foundation, and I did use again this MAC Prolonged Wear foundation, and then the new L'Oreal 24 Fresh Fair Infallible foundation, and mix them together. So now I'm going in with some lighter foundation because I don't want to take this highlight off. Next is cream blush, and he said that he thinks that creams work primarily better than powders. Adding some translucent powder. I'm using some face powder. So the next step will be highlighter, and this is the Bronze Luminizer from Makeup Factory. Holographic Illusion highlighter also. And now time for some contouring. Don't have the name. Lips I'm going to do later, and I'm moving to my eyes. I'm mixing these two colors from Illamasqua Artistry Palette. So guys, I guess this is the final look. I did add some false lashes and my eyebrows were pretty much done already. For my lips, I used this Makeup Factory Color Perfection Lip Liner in number 20 and High Shine Lip Gloss, something named Blush. I cannot read the name. It is weird. I do not do my makeup at all like this, but for a change, you know what? Somehow I thought it's going to look and be more heavier, but it's not. Eyes are weird for me. I generally do differently my eyes, but yeah, like I said, I thought it's going to be way heavier. That will be it for today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!